Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the essentials, vertical orientation, and under 60 seconds, because YouTube prioritizes that format. Once recorded, make sure your file type is MP4 or MOV and that it's under 2 GB so uploads don't fail. Then open the YouTube app or studio, tap the plus icon and select Create a Short. This immediately places you in the correct workflow. You're starting the upload now, not later, and that reduces extra trimming or reformatting steps. Once you're in the editor, trim to the best 15 seconds of action and add music or captions to boost watchability. This helps retention and the algorithm. Then craft a concise title and description that describe the hook and include 1 to 3 hashtags like #shorts to improve discovery. Make sure to set audience options and visibility, public, unlisted, or scheduled, and add location if relevant, because those settings determine reach and compliance with platform rules. You tap Upload and watch the progress bar. This completes the process when it reaches 100% and shows a confirmation. After publishing, review playback, the generated thumbnail, and early analytics to judge performance and iterate on future shorts. If you run into issues, retry the upload over stable Wi-Fi, clear the YouTube app cache, or restart the device. These steps fix most stuck uploads. And remember, small edits to the title or thumbnails can improve click-through without reuploading.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.